Hi, my name is Adelanda Cameron, and today I'll be talking to you about the Aesculus pavia, also known as the red Buckeye. Characteristics. This is a spring flowering shrub with bright red flowers. These plants can grow up to 40 feet, but are most commonly found around 15 feet tall. They spread out between 12 to 15 feet wide per plant and have large leaves that can grow up to 6 inches and are divided into 5 leaflets. They have smooth bark on the young branches and roughened bark on older branches. They are found on a variety of well-drained, usually acidic woodland soils in the southeast, but are also tolerant of clay soils. Yellow-flowered hybrids, known as flavescens, grow beyond the central Edwards Plateau. The bloom time is between April to May. Habitat and distribution. This is a map from iNaturalist, data collected from users all across the web. It shows the red-flowered Aesculus pavia. The species range extends from the east coast to the westernmost edge of the Edwards Plateau in central Texas. The height ranges from 40 feet to 10 feet, with the smaller ones being the farther west you go from the Mississippi Valley. Propagation and growth. They're found in nature most often as a plant of woodland edges where it can get morning sun and afternoon shade. They attract hummingbirds and tolerate clay soils relatively well. They prefer full sun to part shade, have a medium watering schedule, moderate maintenance is required. They're best grown in hedges, flowering trees, or in rain gardens, and they lose their leaves by the end of summer. For more information, visit the Native Plant Society of Texas, Clear Lake chapter. Thank you.